dear friend. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to give a speech on Digital India on this platform. The Government of India launched the Digital India campaign under the motto Power to Empower. The Digital India campaign was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 1st July 2015. The campaign aimed to improve the country's technological access. It aimed to provide high-speed internet and will ensure that every citizen of the country has an electronic device like a mobile phone. The Government of India launched the Digital India campaign in 2015. One of the major motives of this campaign was to make government accessible for remote part of the country. The primary goal of the campaign is to increase the technological access of the people. The government consequently increased the area of internet connectivity and made sure that it is accessible for every part of the country. One of the initiatives of the campaign was to connect the rural area of the country with high-speed internet. The campaign boosted the use of electronic services and devices throughout the country. The Digital India campaign project is run by Bharat Broadband Network Limited. That's all from my side. Thank you for listening me patiently.
Hello everyone, I am Jia and I am a student of grade 8 from Raj International School and I am here to keep some lines on topic Digital India. Digital India was launched by the Government of India on 1st July 2015. Digital India was launched to ensure that the government services are now available on the infrastructure by increasing the internet connectivity. There are three main core components of the Digital India. They are delivering of government services, developing of secure, and third and last one is infrastructure digitally. The Digital India was also used for the government so that government can see the information of citizens easily by digitally, or the government can create jobs for more than 18 lakh people. And Digital India have some facilities such as digital locker, e-education, e-services, and last one is national scholarships. Digital locker is one of the most important facility of the Digital India. In digital locker, we can store our most important documents, most important information in the digital locker so that we can move forward to our future, or we can store ID cards, etc. Digital India is the one of the most important campaign of our country, India. Our Honorable Prime Minister digitalized our India by the Digital India. We can fill our form by the help of Digital India. Online we can fill our form also of national scholarships. Digital India, I think this is the most important campaign of our country. We can make our school certificate, voter card, ID cards, etc. digitally. So I think this is the one of the most important, so we can move our forwards to the technology in future. So I hope this is enough from my side. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Sneha and I am a student of class 8F2. Today I am here to speak about Digital India. Think of a country like ours with huge population where people have to stand in long queue for their basic needs like bill payments, ration card, voter ID, birth certificate and even their old age pension. Imagine a person of 90 years old has to stand in long queue for getting his or her old age pension. With an eye on these aspects, our government has launched Digital India campaign on 1st July 2015 so that people get acquainted with knowledge of technology and digital world. Under this campaign, all public offices, Gram Panchayat and government departments are brought online. Now, while driving, our parents do not need to carry their driving license as it is readily available in digital form in their mobile phones. Our grandparents are getting their old age pension directly in their bank accounts without standing in long queue. Farmers are getting price of their produce directly in their accounts. Thus, we can say that digitalization has helped in providing transparent, fast and smooth services to people. With digitalization, the number of cybercrime cases has also grown. So, people need to be more alert too. Thank you.